My name is LB Thapa and I'm going to take your interview. So this interview has three parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So are you ready for the interview?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Are you a full-time student or you also do part-time job?
Presently, I am studying Bachelor of Business Administration, or simply known as BBA. It includes a 4-year course as human laws, principle of accounting, economics, etc. are the core subject of it.
Can you speak something about your ancestral home?
Yeah, yes, sir. As recalling about my ancestors, we are a Banjara. We are a caste of name Banjara. As actually, I don't know about the much more things about my generation, but my father, he told me that we are from a place named Bijepur. We are from that place, as we have been enriching from our caste named Ranawat to Banjara, as we have different things for our worship, culture and tradition.
Right. What kinds of emails do you receive about your work or studies?
As email has played a significant role in my life. As I am a student, I have been given a various notification about emails from time and again. For instance, recently I got a student note from my teacher's name Ram, as he has addressed me on an email, so that it will be much more beneficial for me to study further.
Good. Do you prefer to email, phone or text your friends, and also say why?
If we talk about the communicating with each other or sharing information, I prefer about the phone message, because it is very much efficient to me, as it does not need any mobile data or Wi-Fi for communication, as it's a very quick and efficient way. Just like whenever I want a quick message for my dearest friends, I can have a mobile and a direct chat with him, nothing more. Just like in email, we have to greet. That formal things are not included in phone messaging.
Good. Do you reply to emails and messages as soon as you receive them?
Yes, sir. As sir, I have been having, if I have efficient times, or if I am much more free, whenever I am free, I always used to have a quick messaging, because of a late reply makes me that it's disrespect, and it makes me feel bad.
Good. Are you happy to receive emails that are advertising things?
Basically, I don't like things with which is attract with the advertisement, because I ignore having advertisements.
Now I would like to give you this question. This is part 2 question, and you have 1 minute time. You can make little notes, and after then you can speak for about 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So here is the question, and here is the pencil, and you have 1 minute time to prepare yourself.
Okay, sir.
Well, your time is over. Will you please start speaking now?
A hotel that I know, its name is a Jungle Lodge and Hotel, as it is situated at Kathmandu. As I got an opportunity to know much more about this hotel, because it is much more famous among the various youngsters to visit there. As this hotel is much more different than any other hotel, because as whenever we got entrance from this hotel, it's much more different. Just like it is much more decorated with roots and jungles. Just like it has a various animation of different animals, as people are much more surprised to know about the such things inside our country, because I think it may be the first hotel that is animated. As furthermore, the hotels are designed in such a way that it makes a person scared at first and surprising at the second, because a person, when he or she is habitual or get entrance to the hotels for the first times, they may get scared of various animated animals just like lions, snakes, etc. So it may be the scares for the first and the second times. Whenever we enter, that we may feel shocked to know about the various animated things, seems like a real one, as there are the various facility about the animals moves from one place to another, and it feels like we are inside a jungles having a various safaris, as there are various facility of this hotel, as we can have the various laws and we can have various foods inside that hotel.
I would like to stop you because you have already completed 2 minutes.
Okay.
Right. So I take it back.
Okay.
Now we are going to start part 3, and in part 3 I will ask you some questions related to the main subject of part 2.
Okay, sir.
What things are important when people are choosing a hotel?
As people's preference change time and again, whenever a person wants to have a silent environment, he or she can have a hotel of a peace zone, just like there must not be any hustle and bustles, so that they can have a various peace environment. Meanwhile, when a person wants to have entertainments or have to have much more funds, so that he can have a live music inside the hotel too, whereas some hotel has been providing such facilities for time and again.
Why do some people not like staying in hotels?
As it depends on a people, and as it depends on a people's mood, where the hotels are not well cleaned, and they may not have the facilities required to that person, so that a hotel can be avoided for such types of persons.
Do you think staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money? As it is a very nice question, sir. As living in a luxurious hotels may be a waste of money for some people. Meanwhile, it may be different for another people. Just like whenever a person wants a various seminars, parties of their own business, they can have a hotel book with various luxuries, so that they can have much more interact with their clients, peoples, so that it will be much more beneficial. But on the other flip side, whenever a person wants to stay in a hotel just for a night or wanted to have a good sleep, he can have a hotel in a cheaper price too. Good.
Thanks.
Do you think hotel work is a good career for life?
As hotel has been very much efficient from time and again. Just for instance, a hotel in a lakeside has a much more wealthy environment than any other places, because hotels line has dominate any other industries than any other industries in a world. For instance, whenever a person travels from one place to another, he or she need a hotel to stay there, to have a rest for their life, rest for the days. So hotels play a significant roles for a person, and hotel line has been providing a various facilities to their clients for their happiness. And as hotel have been very much works.
Good. How does working in a big hotel compare with working in a small hotel?
Working in a, if you are talking about hotels, then if we are working in a hotels of if we are working in a big hotel, the way we judge the hotels may be different. Just like in a big hotel, we can have a much more facility than having a small hotel. Just for instance, big hotels may contain a swimming pool, bar, lodge, and facilities of different spa and saunas, whereas in a small hotel we cannot find all those facilities. So there may be a differ in these types.
Okay, I'm going to ask you last question.
Okay, sir.
What skills are needed to be a successful hotel manager?
As firstly, for the first and foremost, if we are starting a hotel line, then a person must be wise and clever, and he must have ins and outs of various hotel lines. Just like here, just like a person should have much more information about various hotel facilities, so that he can have his own hotels and start his own business. Just like a person should have a good capital, meanwhile a person should choose a wise layout so that a hotel can be run efficiently.
Right. So your interview is over.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Welcome, sir.
And so I wish you all the best and perform better in the examination and try to score good marks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Best of luck.
Welcome, sir.